Yes. Go. Yeah. You just need to knock that top off and it'll fly. Fuck.
Oh, we should get that.
Pull pin. Aim and fire.
Right now I'm worried about it.
There's a pin.
Yep, I definitely think I'm good.
Let me see.
Come the pin.
I'll pick it up and throw it on the concrete.